Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the guess the currency filter on Instagram. Really easy to do, just takes about a minute. So all you need to do is head over to your Instagram account and open that up. You just want to go over to the search option here, and you just want to go to the top and search an account called Matahari. So M-A-T-A-H, 2 A's, 2 R's, and an I. So this account right here. Just click on that and head over to the filters tab. And then if you just scroll down, you see the guess the currency filter. So you can just click on that. And like all filters, you can either click here to try it, or you could save it to the camera roll and use it again later. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.